Good morning guys, I am here to share to you a video tutorial on how to tether your Android tablet or Android phone. So we will just start with the tablet. First you will go to the setting here, and you will go here, and then this one, tethering portable hotspot. Just simply check this one, Wi-Fi hotspot. Then if you want to set the password, the username, just go here, portable Wi-Fi hotspot setting. So here you can configure your Wi-Fi hotspot, this one. So like this one, you can change password, you can change the network SSID. So now we will try to check if it's already on. So I will using my cell phone to check. So take note that this is the network SSID is this one, Dodo. So now guys, we will check if we already switch on the Wi-Fi. So the first thing you will do is just to simply switch on your Wi-Fi. So like this one is already switched on, so it is automatically give you a notification of the some Wi-Fi that can be accessible. So in the event that this automatic notification will not show up, so we will just go here to the settings, and then we will go here, wireless and networks, then Wi-Fi settings, then here. So you see the one we configured it a while ago, this Dodo, so it's already show up. So we will just simply click this one, and then it will ask you for a password. So you just type your password. So my password is this one, and then after that, then you will just put done. So if you want to check the password if it is correct, you just simply click this show password button. So we'll just simply check. So in this one, in this case, I have an error, so I will just simply change the error, and then click done. So now if it is already corrected, so we will just simply click the connect button. So connect. So now it is already connected. So this cell phone is already connected in the Wi-Fi via our tablet. And then the same thing also if we use a cell phone to connect to other cell phone. So we just simply, or the same way that I made with the tablet. So we just go here, we just click this one, wireless and networks, and then this one, tethering. Then click this portable Wi-Fi hotspot, then portable Wi-Fi hotspot setting. So now you can share your Wi-Fi to everybody, so that everyone is happy. And I hope guys you learned something from my video today, and I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for coming more videos. Thank you guys, and God bless.